If you're experiencing connection errors while trying to play Roblox, particularly error code 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by trying to access other websites or streaming services. If your connection is weak or intermittent, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart Roblox. Sometimes, simply restarting the Roblox application can resolve connection issues. Close the game completely and reopen it. This can refresh your connection and may eliminate the error. Step 3. Update Roblox. Make sure you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Outdated versions can lead to compatibility issues. Check for updates through the Roblox platform and install any available updates. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it. These services can sometimes interfere with your connection to Roblox. After disabling, restart the game and check if the error persists. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Your firewall or antivirus software may be blocking Roblox from connecting to the internet. Check your firewall settings to ensure that Roblox is allowed through. You may need to add Roblox to the list of exceptions in your security software. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection error and get back to enjoying Roblox. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.